back to my channel. Today I'm attempting reasoning and computer aptitude sectional test number 3 in textbook here. This is for IBPS PO Mains purpose. If anyone attempted this test, please share your score in my comment section. Let's start this test. Nine boxes in a 3x3 grid. I think 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So Q is one of the corners and the grid contains a watch. Bottom right corner. So X contains the lightest item. I think this is X. TV is heavier than containing mobile. Watch is heavier than safety pin but lighter than mobile. So TV is heavier than mobile. One of the boxes is box W and is at the bottom of the grid. The table sits it contains violin and it is immediately below you, and P contains the heaviest top left corner. P contains heaviest. So Q is the corner grid, contains watch. The watch is heavier than safety pin but lighter than mobile. So T is at the center of the grid and contains the chair. Okay. And X contains lightest item is bottom right corner. TV is heavier than the box in the mobile. One of the boxes is double and it has the bottom of the grid. The table is sits above the containing mobile. Table is sits above the containing mobile. Safety pin is either heaviest or the lightest. V contains a violin and is immediately below you or U or S. U at the so U. V is heavier than 5 items. V is heavier than 5 items and O is lighter than TV. Heavier than T is same as a lighter than T. P contains the heaviest item. And top left corner U contains Third heaviest item contains the keyboard. S contains silicon is placed immediately right of P. Immediate right of P. S is heavier than U. Telescope. So I think P is top left of the corner of the grid, and S is telescope and is placed immediate right of the. Immediate right of P. So I think P and S, which is telescope, and U and V. Violin and is immediately below S. So use the top of the grid. Okay. U, S, P, V, violin, T, child, so it is telescope, immediate right of P. S is heavier than U, and the table contain the item that is either heaviest or lightest. Table, and this is one of the corners of the grid contains a watch. X contains the lightest item, bottom right corner. Safety pin, and is at the bottom of the grid. So table above the mobile. And E is heavier than 5 items. O is lighter than box TV. So O is lighter than box TV. keyboard. S is heavier than U. Next, so TV, mobile, watch. So T is the chair, violin, TV, mobile and watch. Which item box is immediate left of X? X in the grid. So here Q is one of the and contains the watch. So Q is the one of the corners, contains watch and W. One of the boxes is double at the bottom of the grid. The table is sits above the mobile. So O and W, I think. So O is lighter than TV. So TV, O, mobile. W, TV, and chair is T. Immediate right of O in the grid, T chair. Immediately above Q in the grid is O mobile. Next one. 1 and 2 with 5 persons. Once it's exactly opposite. So 1 is left. East direction of 1 is east direction of 2. Next, if an even number is followed by odd, is 6, 66, 36, 30, 12, 18, 15, 3, 5, 90, 46, 44. So 242 and 42. 207. 207 and 336, 39, 13. 69. So is some iron, metal, or cotton is metal, or cotton is iron. We'll make the third sentence definitely follow. ADF and AEH. Some iron, metal, all metal dust. Some dust is iron and BCG. All dust dark. Some lamp not dark. BC. Only few lamp dark. All dust dark. So BCG means some lamp is not dark. All 1, 2, 3. Only few sweet sugar. No sugar or hot. Only few hot is salt. Some hot can never be sugar. Some sweet can never be. No sugar or salt. Only few hot or salt. Some hot can never be sugar. No sugar or only few sweet is sugar. No sugar or sweet. Next one. So A at the rate of B. So A is 6 kilometers north of B, or A is 6 kilometers south of B. B and C. B is 4 meters. C is 4 meters east of B. C percentage of D. So C is either 8 kilometers north of D, or C is either 8 kilometers north of D, or C is 8 kilometers west of D. C is 8 kilometers north of D. C is 8 kilometers east of D, or C is 8 kilometers west of D. Next. D is 3 kilometers north of E. D is 3 kilometers north of E. F is 4 kilometers east of E. F is 4 kilometers east of E. These two are not correct. Next, because ABF from vertical line, straight line. F is 8 kilometers east of R. 8 kilometers east of R. Or 8 kilometers west of R. F is 8 kilometers east of R. Or kilometers west of R. So R is the northeast of A. This is next. R is the northeast of A. I think this is only one because R is the northeast. So what is the direction of D with respect to the A? Northwest. So Z percentage of D means Z is 8 meters west of B. Sorry. Z is the west of B. More than 2 given points are the northwest of F. And 3 is not. The distance between the E and F 4 is less than the E and R. So I think only 2 is not here. Next. B is the mother of G and G is the brother of D. D is the wife of C and C is the father of F. F is the brother of H. H is the sister of E. A is the wife of G. It's definitely true is D is son of B. No, D is the G is the brother-in-law of C. H is the next. T is the brother of P and P is the husband of Q. Sorry. Yes, P is the husband of Q. P is the father of V and V is the brother of W. W is the husband of S. W is the father of R. R is the sister of Z. R with respect to the P, granddaughter. M less than G is true. M is greater than O. Less than G. Next. Less than H. H less than O or less than G. So 2 and 3 I think. Only 2 or 2 and 3. M less than G. M greater than B. B less than E. E less than G. So only 2 I think. A statement is said to be followed both conclusion against M and O. So S less than P, no. R less than T, P greater than or equal to S. No, A is not a combination with anyone. So BN or BM. We'll try B. So AO means BM means S less than P and or less than QS. So 9 persons, different cities: Bangalore, Chennai and Jaipur. Not more than 4, not less than 2. J and O not belong to the same city. M does not belong to Bangalore and Jaipur. So M. K and the one who 19 years old belong to two persons. So I think K and one who is 19. P 29 years, P and one who 29 years belong to the same city. P is odd number. Q and O. So Q and the 150 days same city. Q, so O 59 64. O 59 and 64. J is the eldest person respect to city. 35 years old belongs to Bangalore. M is twice of K. Think K and one who 19 age. So Bangalore, Chennai, Jaipur. So M 35. K and the one who 19 years old. So two possibilities. M is twice of K 70. So L is not youngest. O is older than K. J and M not belong to the same city. O and N belong to the same city. Means here 7. J and O not belongs in there. P 29 is all same city. P is odd number. P and 29 is all belong to. So here P and the odd number K 35 90. P and 29 is same city. P and 29 is same city. is odd. Next, Q and one who 59 years old, 52 years old. So O, the one who 59 years old and one who 64. So O, 59 and 64. 59 and 64. O. 59 and 64. Oh. He is the eldest person, his or her. G. Next. 35 years old Bangalore. M says is twice of K. X 2x. O is 7 years. L is not youngest. O is older than K. G and M not belong to the same city. O and N belong to the same city. J is 5 years older than K. So J is 5 years older than K. K is even number. So K is even number and one of the person's age is 37 and 51 and 32. O and N belong to the same city. J is 5 years older than K. So 20 persons in a rectangular table, all face towards the center. One of these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Facing towards west. 3, 4. So I think 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. West means and right. 4 persons are sitting on the table. Okay. 6 persons sitting on the table facing towards west. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So J is sitting. J who is sitting left. So J who is sitting left of H, same side and facing opposite to R. So F is second to the right of K. K is south direction. C is also in next. 3127G. Next one. Is 22. So, oh my god. So I think 19, 29, 52, 59, 64, 35, 19, 3, 6, 7. 7 means 37, 51, 32. Okay, overall 9 persons I think. So here 28. So Bangalore and Chennai, Jaipur. Okay. So M in Chennai. K and 1 who is 15 same city. M is 70 minutes, so this is not here. So M is 64. M is twice as of K. So I think M is 64 and K is 32. Okay. Next MK. K is 32. O is elder than K. So O is elder than K. So I think O is more than 32. So 59 or 52, 35 already here, and 19 not, 37 or 51. J is 5 years older to K. So J is 5 years older to K. So J is, I think, J is 37. Okay. So J 37, M 64, K 32. Next. O is 7 years less than Q. Is 7 years. O is 7 years less than Q. 59. L is not the youngest. L is not 19. O is older than K. J is 5 years older than K. K is even number. Okay. Next. So here M is 64 and K is 32 and 19. So this is not L. So J is 37. J and O not belong to the same city. So I think O 59 and 64 years same. Next, M not Bangalore and Jaipur. K and one. Next, P and the 29 years old. O is 52. So P and 29 years old belong to the same city. P is odd number. Or 35. Q and 52 years old belong to the same city. So Q is 59. J is the eldest person. So J, eldest person, his or her respective. So J is the eldest. M is twice of K. J is the eldest person, his or her respective city. Okay. Respective city. And the one who is 35 is Bangalore. M says is twice of K. O is 7 years less than Q. Three, four, five, six. O is 7 years less than Q. L is not the youngest. O is older than K. K is 32. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here N is 51, I think. L 32 and 3. JK LM N OPQ R. N belongs to Chennai and J is 37. Difference between O and R is 35. Only 1 and 2 true. Belongs to the Bangalore 60. J 19. Only 2. Seven H U plus 59P TIO percentage 6 at the rate AG greater than Y8 at the rate 2 hash S. So if a number is immediately preceded and immediately succeeded by symbol. If a number is immediately preceded and succeeded by symbol. So I think 6. So 2. Will we place just after the second symbol in the pair? Seven just after second symbol. KT percentage at the rate AG. Yes. Just after second symbol in that pair. So 6 2 yes. Next. The letter is immediately followed by another letter, then the first letter will be changed to next letter. The first letter is either all or going to be changed to next letter according to. The letter is immediately followed by another letter. First letter is either all or going to be changed to D. T. H 3 KL T 6 AP then 8 QR rate star 2s and 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after implementing 7 dt 5p 5ph and L T3L 3L B by 8. Right, next. So time is over. So 18 questions I attempted and I got 22 marks with 100% accuracy. So please share your score in my comment section. Thank you.